Welcome back, and if you're new here, you're definitely in the right place. This is where we talk about confidence, psychology, and the little things that make a big difference in how people see you and feel around you. So if that's your vibe, go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. If you've ever wondered why some people just have that magnetic pull, like they walk into a room and somehow everyone feels their presence, this is for you. Because it's not luck. It's not even just looks. It's psychology. Today, I'm breaking down 10 powerful techniques that create attraction, connection, and influence naturally. 1. Create mystery. One of the biggest mistakes people make is oversharing too quickly. You meet someone, and within minutes, everything is on the table. Your story, your feelings, your intentions. But attraction doesn't grow from knowing everything. It grows from wanting to know more. When you reveal yourself slowly, layer by layer, you give the other person space to become curious. And curiosity is powerful. It keeps your name in their mind even when you're not around. Mystery doesn't mean being cold or distant. It means being intentional with what you share and when you share it. 2. Make people feel truly seen and understood. This is one of the most powerful things you can do, and almost no one does it well. Listen without interrupting. Notice the small details, how they speak, what they care about, the things they repeat without realizing. Then reflect it back naturally. When someone feels like you get them, they feel safe. And when they feel safe, they open up. And here's the truth. People don't fall for perfection. They fall for the person who made them feel understood in a way no one else did. 3. Use eye contact intentionally. Eye contact is one of the simplest but most underrated tools. If you avoid it, you seem unsure. If you overdo it, it becomes uncomfortable. But when you get it right, it creates tension. Hold eye contact just a moment longer than usual. Let there be a pause. Then look away calmly. That small moment, it says more than words ever could. 4. Balance attention with distance. If you're always there, always replying instantly, always available, always giving attention, there's no space for desire to grow. But when there's a natural rhythm, moments of connection followed by moments of space, something shifts. They start wondering about you, thinking about you, missing your presence. 5. Develop quiet, grounded confidence. Confidence isn't loud. It's not showing off or trying to impress. Real confidence is calm. It's the energy of someone who doesn't need approval to feel okay. When you're not chasing validation, when you're not trying to prove your worth, people feel that stability, and it draws them in. Because deep down, everyone is attracted to someone who feels secure in themselves. 6. Create emotional peaks. Think about the people you remember most in your life. It's not the ones who were just nice or normal. It's the ones who made you laugh hard, think deeply, feel something intense. Emotion creates memory. So bring moments of humor, depth, surprise, anything that breaks the ordinary. Because when someone associates you with strong feelings, they don't forget you. 7. Be playful. A lot of people approach attraction too seriously. They overthink every word, every move. But playfulness changes everything. A little teasing, a little humor, a relaxed energy, it makes the interaction feel effortless. And when something feels effortless, people want more of it. Playfulness lowers defenses. It makes people comfortable, and comfort is where connection grows. 8. Let them invest in you. If you're always the one giving, always the one initiating, always the one putting in effort, the balance is off. People value what they work for, so let them text you first sometimes. Let them make plans. Let them show interest. Because when someone invests their time and energy into you, they become more emotionally attached. 9. Your energy matters more than your words. You can say all the right things, but if your energy feels nervous, desperate, or forced, it won't land. But when your energy is calm, present, and grounded, even simple words feel powerful. People don't just listen to what you say, they feel who you are. 10. Always leave at the right moment. Don't wait until the conversation becomes dry. Don't stretch the moment too long. End it when it feels good, when the energy is still high. Because when you leave at the peak, you stay in their mind. and they start looking forward to the next time they see you. So here's the truth. This isn't about manipulation. It's not about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about awareness, understanding people, understanding yourself. When you get that right, you don't have to chase attention anymore. You naturally attract it. And that changes everything. How people respond to you, how you move, how you feel about yourself. If you made it this far, I appreciate you. That means you're not just watching, you're actually thinking deeper. So go ahead, like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. And tell me in the comments, which one of these stood out the most to you. I'll see you in the next one.